Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems can be tricky, but we will find where this function is both decreasing and concave up in just 3 very simple steps. For the function to decrease, the first derivative must be negative. Factoring 3x squared plus x minus 4 yields 3x plus 4, x minus 1. Next, for the graph to be concave up, the second derivative must be positive. Differentiating the first derivative gives us 6x plus 1, which is positive when x exceeds negative 1/6. Combining these conditions, the derivative is negative between negative 4/3 and 1. This overlap makes option C the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check your steps.